Hello kids, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn phonics subject. In phonics we will take CVC words with U sound. Okay, today's date is 2nd December 2020. Previously you have learned O sound word जो CVC वर्ड्स ही थे जिसमें कॉन्सोनेंट वॉवेल एंड कॉन्सोनेंट 3 लेटर वर्ड्स थे जिसमें जो बीच का लेटर है वो वॉवेल होता था राइट अभी जो ओ साउंड से आपने लर्न किया है नाउ वी विल लर्न विद द यू साउंड वर्ड्स जिसमें फैमिलीज़ है उसमें फर्स्ट फैमिली इज़ ऑफ यू बी फैमिली देन यू जी फैमिली यू एम फैमिली यू एन फैमिली यू टी फैमिली and others. First is UB sound words. UB मतलब जिसके पीछे 3 लेटर वर्ड है सबके पीछे UB आएगा वैसे वर्ड्स. यहाँ पे देखिए U साउंड्स अ, B साउंड्स ब, राइट. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इज CUB कब, C साउंड्स क, U साउंड्स अ, B साउंड्स ब. सो CUB कब. Then next is DUB. D sounds D, U sounds A, B sounds B, CUB, DUB dub, D up dub. Okay. Next is HUB. H sounds H, UB sounds UB, HUB hub. N sounds N, UB sounds UB, NUB nub. RUB, R sounds R, UB sounds UB, RUB rub. Then S sounds S, UB sounds UB, SUB sub. TUB, T sounds T, UB sounds UB, TUB tub. Now next is UG family. In UG family, BUG. Now U sounds A, G sounds G. Okay, so B sounds BUG में क्या होगा? B sounds B, UG sounds UG, BUG bug. Okay, then next is D sounds D, UG sounds UG, DUG dug. H sounds H, UG sounds UG, HUG hug. Then J sounds J, UG sounds UG, JUG jug. Now LUG, L sounds L, UG sounds UG, LUG lug. MUG, M sounds M, UG sounds UG, MUG mug. Next is PUG, P sounds P, UG sounds UG, PUG pug. Next is RUG. R sounds R, UG sounds UG, RUG rug. Next is TUG. T sounds T, UG sounds UG, TUG tug. Now UM family. U sounds A, M sounds M, UM sounds Okay. Now BUM. B sounds B, UM sounds BUM bum. Next is GUM. G sounds G, UM sounds GUM gum. Next is H sounds H, UM sounds HUM, hum. Next is MUM. M sounds M, UM sounds MUM pronounce mum. S sounds S, UM sounds SUM pronounce sum. Next family is of UN family. U sounds A, N sounds N, UN sounds Un. Okay, so let's start. bun. B sounds b, un sounds un, bun, bun. Okay, and it pronounced b, un, bun. Okay. Next is fun. F sounds f, un sounds un, fun, fun. Next is S. S sounds sir, un sounds un, sun, sun. G. Gun. G sounds g, un sounds un, gun, gun. Next is nun. N sounds n, un sounds un, nun, none. Next is pun. P sounds p, un sounds un, pun, pun. Next is run. R sounds r, un sounds un, run pronounce run. Sun. S sounds s, un sounds un, sun pronounce sun. Next family is of ut family. Ut words. U sounds a, t sounds t, ut sounds at. Okay, so at जिसके सारे वर्ड्स के पीछे आएगा ut, at. but. B sounds b, ut sounds at, but, but. cut. C sounds k, ut sounds at, cut pronounce cut. gut. G sounds g, ut sounds at, gut pronounce gut. hut. H sounds h, ut sounds at, hut pronounce hut. jut. J sounds j, ut sounds at, jut jut. nut. N sounds n, ut sounds at, nut pronounce nut. rut. R sounds r, ut sounds at, rut rut. Others. Now इसमें बहुत कम है, so UP sounds भी है, US भी है. Let's check. BUB, BUD, BUD bud, UD, U sounds a, D sounds d. Okay, so BUD, B sounds b, UD sounds ud, BUD bud. CUD. C sounds k, UD sounds ud, CUD cud. DUD. D sounds d, UD sounds ud, DUD pronounce dud. MUD. M sounds m, UD sounds ud, MUD pronounce mud. PUP. P sounds p, UP sounds up, PUP pup. CUP. C sounds k, UP sounds up, CUP pronounce cup. BUS. B sounds b, U sounds a, S sounds s, BUS it pronounce bus. This all words you have to write one time in your notebook. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning.